किसकी क्लास है?
पैथोलॉजी का लेक्चर है, नवीन सर का लेक्चर है।
Oh no, please sit. Right, so patient comes to you with lymphadenopathy and hepatosplenomegaly. What will you do first? What will you do first?
So, ABC?
ABC. Okay, you want to start with airway, breathing and circulation. What do you want to do?
Call the senior doctor.
That's also one thing you can do. So that's why we are here, and I'm going to take a very short lecture on Hodgkin's lymphoma. Basically, Hodgkin's lymphoma is a malignant condition. Okay? So, to diagnose that, you need to know the pathology behind it. Pathology? So the five important things that you need to know about the Hodgkin's lymphoma is the Reed-Sternberg cells, the Reed-Sternberg cells, the Reed-Sternberg cells, the Reed-Sternberg cells is Hodgkin's lymphoma. For clinical features, you will have pain, fever, and loss of appetite. That's how it goes on. Right? Okay, so it was just a very brief introduction about the Hodgkin's lymphoma. What I want to say is MBBS, right? MBBS is something for which you need to have the right attitude. You need to be punctual and you need to be regular. If you know these things, you'll become a great doctor. That's how it goes. Right? That's how it goes. I think I am being called by the pediatrics department.
Now switch to off-tab. Warning, please don't try this at home.
Sit down. Alright, so first of all, I need to tell you that we have decided the dates for your send-up and they are going to be 21st of October. There will be two parts, part A and part B. There will be two tables, instruments. You have to attend the class, and who does not attend is going to get detained for the next 6 months. Right, so today will be a short class. We will just have a brief introduction to the lacrimal apparatus, okay? So starting off with the example, in your homes you have a water tank in which the water is stored. From there the water comes down to the pipe into the sink and you wash with your hands and face. Now the water does not stay over there in the sink, it has to get drained into the pipe and into the sewage system. Right? In the same way, you have the lacrimal gland, and there through the canaliculi, the tears are taken by the puncta into the lacrimal sac and into the lacrimal duct. Alright, so this is a, excuse me. मैंने रॉस डे का पूरा करा दिया बिल्कुल meeting. Okay, we have a meeting. Alright, so we need to end the class over here because we have an important meeting. You guys can go. The council has to stay behind because we have to talk about some things. You guys can leave. Yeah, there was some issues regarding cross K.
Last day is already over, sir. It's
Was
the
it?
16th. It was on the 16th.
Oh, what about the next cross K?
You will be the council, sir. Where
Oh.
will be in new council?
Oh, यार क्लास टेस्ट का क्या हुआ? See, you need to decide the dates of your class trip and you need to tell me this is not done. What happened is the second years are telling me that I have to go with them, and the third years are coming telling me that the next week I have to go with them, and the next week I have an ITAM, and then the next week the final years are coming that I have to go with them. You need to set up the dates, otherwise your trip will be cancelled. Is that very clear to you? Okay. I haven't seen Mr. Sameer calendar over here. I think he must be copying me in the hostel, you know. You tell him he is going to be detained for the next 6 years. Alright? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.